Hi everyone. Today I wanted to do a little art project with you. So what you'll need is a piece of paper. I went for like a cardstock piece of paper because the thicker the piece of paper is, the better this art project will work. But if you only have printer paper, that'll be fine too. Just you'll have to be a little bit more careful. So I have a tray here, and I'll show you what that's for a little later. I have a spoon and a straw, but you'll need like a medicine dropper, or like one of the science medicine droppers. For this, I just didn't have one of those, so I'm going to make it work with a straw and a spoon. And I'll show you a little later how that works too. And some food coloring. I just used 3 colors. You can use as many as you want and whatever colors you want. And you'll see where that comes into play later. Some salt and some glue. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I do with the glue here on the paper. Alright, so I spelled my name on the paper with the glue, and so that's what you'll do first. You can use whatever word you want or letters, or you can make a picture. I just chose to do my name just to show an example. Alright, so now I'll show you what to do with the salt. Alright, so this is the part where the tray came in handy, because you're going to put the salt all over the picture, and then you're going to shake it up and make sure that each spot with glue is completely covered with the salt. So this just helps keep the mess from going, and it makes it easier to move the salt around and shake it all over the letters. So this is where the coloring comes in. So once your salt is all over it, and you can see that it's crystallized, the glue. So once your salt is all over the glue, then you can get your food coloring. And so I'm using a straw. If you do use a straw, you might have to help your preschooler because it's a little harder. You have to make like a suction part at the top. But you just come over the letter and you drop it on, and it starts to color it. Or you can use the spoon and just get a little bit of color on and color the salt. And it can just make for a little fun science experiment. And you can cover the whole thing with salt. And it will dry and make like a crystallized picture with the salt and glue. So it's just something fun to try out. You can mix up different colors. You can see why the salt makes the glue crystallize. It's just something fun, and it kind of makes it expand when you put the water on too. So it's just a fun little thing to see how chemicals react and to play with some art stuff. I hope everybody has fun with it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!